Hello everyone, Shadow Stalker here. Welcome back to my channel. And today I got a couple new buying bags that came in. So let's see what we got. Come on, you can make it. You can, I swear you can. Okay. Wow, these are smaller than I thought. A sphere mold. That looks kind of cute. Hold on. I have to put the right glasses on. Ooh. Gold butterfly confetti. No, that's pretty. I like this. I like this. And pink. This one's holographic. I'm not quite sure if this is, but I think it is. But those are both pretty. I think it's a flower of some sort. It's not a rose. The word is going through my head, but I don't know what it is. Another. Oh no, that's it doesn't have horns. It has a third eye. I might keep this one. More Christmas tinsel, like the other one. Wow, twice. That's not good. Seahorse. That's actually got some detail in there. There's some ribbing there. Star. Let's see what are these bezels? I hope they are. I'm starting quite the collection. Okay, that one's too much. Oh no. What did I do with my... Oh. Boy, they really like to wrap these days. I'm still waiting on other stuff like mixing pots and whatnot. Oh, I thought they were supposed to not get the same thing twice. More sakura flowers. Oops. That's the whole like that anyways. In the end, it's just a piece of crap. What is this, coral? This is kind of cute. These are actually kind of nice. But that's this month's collection for blind bags. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my Buy Me Coffee link down there. It's official now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Namaste.